Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If your MyGP app is not working on your Android and if you're trying to solve the issue, in today's video we will be guiding you through the process. So without any delay, let's just get started. You can start by restarting your phone. So long press on your power button for that and a menu appears on your screen. You can basically tap on restart option on your screen, and when you confirm it up, it should often resolve the issue. It is a very simple but most often effective step to resolve the temporary app glitches. Now from here in your phone settings, you can head over there, and once you open up your phone settings, you may just scroll to the given options and find the option for apps and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you may just scroll down or directly use the search at the top and find the MyGP application and open it up. After you open it up, you may just scroll to the given options and head over to storage and go ahead and tap on it. And then once you go ahead and tap on it, you can look out for the clear cache and clear data option. Go ahead and confirm it up, and that should also resolve the issue. Apart from that, you can reinstall the application as well. You can long press on MyGP for that and look out for the uninstall option. Go ahead and confirm it up and reinstall it from the Google Play Store. That should also often resolve the issue. And even if after that, if the problem continues, you can just contact MyGP support. Since your issue might be account specific or a non-problem with the service, the best approach is to contact them. So you can just go ahead and follow that up, and that's it. So therefore, you can follow up this method if you'd like to fix the issue. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.